Hi and welcome to this quick tutorial on using the new Positive Live, which is now available on your web browser on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is go to pos.myrage.co.za and this screen will load. You then need to put in your username and your password. Mine's already saved, your till number and your branch code. Okay. Once you've done that, click Login and you'll be taken to the sales page. This is the point of sale page. This is where you do all your sales. You also can access your account section from here. So if you want to do an account payment, an account query, or to self-activate a customer's card. You can also click the return here, which will then bring up previous sales. It needs to be within the terms of returns for Rage, which is 30 days on exchanges and 7 days within for refunds. And you can type the branch name that it came from. If it's your own branch, you can type your branch code in there, the transaction number, click Fetch, and we'll go through that in a bit. You can also access your reports, RBT ins and outs, paid in and out. You can open a ticket, you can upload a file and reprint previous transactions. So let's just start with the sale to begin with. So you can, at this point, you can scan the barcode, or you can start typing in the code or the description. Let me just type in W3C. Okay. If you see a 0 here, it means you don't have stock according to the computer. If you see a 1, it means that you do have stock. So I'm just going to select the size 5 and it adds it to the list over here. If you need to change anything, do a price change or change the quantity, you can click on this little pen over here and then you can put in a discount percentage and type in the order received from head office. You can also adjust the quantity over here. So let's just leave this as is. I have to close, and we now are finished reading up all the items on the sale, and we want to continue. So you can either press enter once an item is in the list, or you can click on accept sale down here. You then see the tender screen. So it'll show you over here the total for the sale, how much is owing. Obviously there's no change. I haven't put in an amount yet. You can either click the arrow to get the full amount, or click one of these buttons. If the customer's paying 80 Rand, you can use 80 or 100. Let's say the customer's paying 100 Rand. You can also do part payments down here as well. If there's a manual sale, that's number which is relevant to the sale, you put it in and the auth code. Once you finish doing this, you click process payment and you'll be brought to the customer details screen. If the customer has a cash card with us, then they can give you their ID number and they will be sent automatically the receipt. You can also enter in their email address and cell phone number, which would send them a receipt if we don't have them on the loyalty program. If you wanted to sign up the customer, so let's say they gave you their ID number, I'll just type in any ID number. You can then sign the customer up for loyalty by ticking there. It's Daniel Smith, date of birth. Let's click the calendar, and the person was born in the 1980s, 1983, in March the 30th. Okay. Gender, female or male, and you click submit. That'll automatically sign the customer up for loyalty if you've selected this tick box. If you don't want to sign the customer up for loyalty, you can just add in their email address or their cell phone number, or both if they want. If they already have a cash card with us and they give you their ID number or the cash card number, this will send the receipt to them, and it'll also add the points for the sale to their account. Click submit detail, oops, I have to put in an email address or cell phone number for this customer. And submit detail. This will sign the customer up and the receipt pops up. You then can click print, which will print the receipt for you and open the till drawer if it's connected. That is how you ring up a cash sale.